Hi, my name is Brocadus, and I am 42 years old. I have a wife, Mary, a son named Brodalis, and daughters named Carly, Carrie, and Karen. They are all in their teens. And we have an 8-year-old son who was killed 2 years ago. He died in his sleep by heart attack. If he were still alive, he would have turned 10 2 weeks ago. He was buried in the Teslowski Cemetery, where all of the family was laid to when they died. And then after that, we have made it to the West Coast. But we are low on food and we don't have many supplies, so it's pretty hard. But we are all still alive, thankfully, with no one injured. The reason we wanted to move is because back home, the town was very overcrowded. So we moved to the West Coast, and we also found out there was gold here, which is the main reason we moved. Because of having gold around, our family would be able to live a very happy life. But instead, by the time we got here, all the gold was gone, and we are cooped up in a little cottage, and that's where we live. Which is very unfortunate, but we had to deal with it because there's nothing we could do about it, and we didn't have enough supplies to get back to our hometown, so we decided to stay. And here we are. We have an alright life. It could be better, but we have food on the table every night and every morning, and we all have jobs. So we are making a pretty good amount of money, but we could be making more, and, well, we don't have a swimming pool or anything, but it's alright. I guess that's just the story of my life. Well,